sir. Very good evening.
Good evening.
Your good name, sir?
Sarath Kumar.
So, Happycoin గురించి మీరు ఏమనుకుంటున్నారు? అలా సర్వీస్ ఎలా ఉంది? ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ చేశారు? సో, ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ సార్.
And Happycoin గురించి చెప్పాలంటే around 2019 I heard about Happycoin, and 2020 I joined the gold membership. And almost నాకు Happycoin తో రిలేషన్ around 3 years నుంచి ఉంది, and they are providing a very good services, excellent services to the customers. And I started investing in the mutual funds in 2020, and they have guided me a lot, and like what are the required funds for my future plans, for the different aspects like my children education and children marriage. So starting from core to end, like what are the things I have to take, so they have explained me very clearly. And whenever I have the lump sum of amount, like where to invest, and like how the returns we can expect at the end of the things, and they are guiding a very very excellent way.
సో మీరు వాసు గారి వెబినార్స్ ఎప్పుడప్పుడు ఫాలో అవుతుంటారా?
Yeah. So 2019లో నేను through Facebook I have seen Vaasu's videos.
Okay.
And I was a little bit interested in the investment plan, so I was keep on subscribing to the YouTube channels and Facebook. And I have taken gold membership in the when after taking my gold membership in 2020. So all I have after taking the membership, they have given one link to me.
Okay.
So I have got a lot of knowledge and idea about how you have to plan your money for the investment purpose, and they have clearly explained very with the videos and some notes and everything they have provided to me.
Okay.
It is very good.
సో ఇప్పుడు 3 years జర్నీ కదండి మీరు.
Yes.
సో దట్ ఏంటంటే మీరు ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ చేశారు, దాని రిటర్న్స్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయి? సో లాంగ్ టర్మ్ లో ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేశారా, షార్ట్ టర్మ్ లో ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేశారా?
Actually everything it is in long term. Okay. And I'm expecting from after 10 to 20 years only I have invested. Okay. And I have invested in the mutual funds most of my amount. And apart from that, I was planning to invest in some other stock market with the guidance of Vaasu garu.
సో Happycoin ఎంప్లాయీ సర్వీస్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది? సో మీరు కాంటాక్ట్ చేసినప్పుడల్లా ఎంప్లాయీస్ మీకు డౌట్స్ అన్ని క్లియర్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారా?
Yeah. So it is whenever I used to call to the Happycoin team, so immediately they'll respond. So maybe if it is something delay, by end of the day they'll call back to me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.